Hello everyone, welcome to Dio's Garage, and I have a Traxxas Maxx with the WideMaxx kit, and I had it out for a run today and it's working perfectly. I got it all dusty. I came home, blew it off with the air compressor, and no, it didn't look like this after I cleaned it off with the air compressor. I sprayed it with this SC1 clear coat. I've been using this for a long time. I've used it on my motorcycles. It's Maxima racing oils, and I use it on my dirt bikes and my ATVs and UTVs, and it's really great because I bought cases of this stuff when I was running my UTVs a lot, because once you spray it on and you go through the mud just falls right off, and very easy to clean up afterwards. So I thought, hey, if it's good enough for my UTVs, it's good enough for my RC cars. And it works wonderful. If you look at it, it looks like almost brand new. And this thing is definitely not brand new. You can see the scuffs in the hood. If you get really close, you can see where it has a lot of road rash on the black plastic. All the black plastic has a lot of road rash. But it looks almost brand new now. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. And ta-da! It's one very clean Maxx. Alright, if you liked my video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. And I got a bunch more videos coming. Alright, thanks guys.